Oh, trash day again. Seems like we did this last week. Uh-oh, the raccoons are back. Oh, wait, that's no raccoon. Oh, what a cute little puppy. And look, no collar. Good thing you already got this pet backpack on you. Aquariums. They're not just for fish anymore. There's not a lot of legroom, is there? With a backpack like that, he's ready to go into space. Right out of the case, and he's already got muddy paws. Oh, right, you found him in the trash. Well, a nice warm bath should perk things up. Or don't dogs lick themselves clean? No, wait, that's cats. How cute. A dog brush. And it even has a little place to hold your soap. Rub-a-dub-dub. This must be a dog's favorite type of bath. The kind that doesn't use any water. But it works. Good thing. Otherwise, he'd be shaking the water off, and we wouldn't get this tender moment. Wow, he must be clean to be on the furniture clean. And now he gets his own wardrobe, too. A little big, but maybe he'll grow into it. Oh, wow, look at those nails! We need a manicure, stat! Sure, I've seen green nails before, but that was just paint. Why stop at the nails? Let's take care of that fur, too. Of course, the most important part of a beauty routine, canine or otherwise, is keeping clean. Cue the foam. Still, no true day of pampering is ever complete without some form of facial mask. What else can we do for our day of indulgence? Oh, good idea. Some brushing. With a tongue? I repeat, isn't licking yourself clean more of a cat thing, not a dog thing? Or a people thing? At least it seems easy to clean. Ah, now for a massage. Oh, and look, we've got a gadget for that too. First, a nice neck rub, and then just work your way down the back. Does it work on people? Well, I guess you can after all. Though you should probably ask before using it. Time for dinner. Good, because I haven't eaten in like a whole hour. A nice salad. And the puppy gets... just some kibble. And even he doesn't look too appetized. Maybe it's all in the presentation. Let's cut along the lines. It's just like coloring. And we want some bend to it, so add some tape. Now everything's got a nice shape. But still, we don't want to show off something that looks like cardboard. Gold-colored paint covers all sins. And so do a bunch of fake jewels. Just don't advertise the fake bit. Man, and all this just to host the dog food bowl. Speaking of which, can we jazz up the food here too? Great! Good boy. Look at him eating. All gone. Guess it's true what they say. You reap what you sow. Wow. I wonder if that dog knows the goose that laid the golden egg. Anyone think they're related? Well, into the drawer. Oh, what's this? Oh, this looks like a collar. Just what our four-legged friend needs. But it needs something extra. Rhinestones are nice and all, but we want something personalized. And a photo will help show ownership. Well, looks like he's on a roll. Literally. He's gonna look so handsome with his new collar. Which means that it's the perfect time for a selfie. Give us a smile. Show us some teeth, but not in a show of dominance sort of way. Any other photo ideas? Let's Let's make a fun border. Now pick a theme. Ah yes, the source of all happiness. Money. Just don't use the real kind. Though by the looks of things, this new owner can probably afford to. Oh, he'll look so handsome in his portrait. Surrounded by money. Just like Scrooge McDuck. After all this pampering, it's finally time for our puppy to relax. You better be planning a game of fetch, taking his ball like that. Oh wow, a golden bone! Let's hope it's not real. I mean, you could chip a tooth. Seems like enough fun for today. It's time to get ready for bed. Or instead, time for another craft. With this mold, we can make a bunch of little jewels of different sizes and colors. Put them all together, and we can make a fun mobile. Like for a baby crib. Just hang it up and he's fast asleep. Wow, I thought he would need a bedtime story or two. Let's cut back to daytime. Time for a fun dress up. And don't worry, just because dogs don't normally wear clothes doesn't mean they can't accessorize. Adorable. He doesn't really seem to be a hat dog. Got anything else he'd like? How about hoodies? Well, the light up buttons have spoken. No, but red is certainly his color. And it looks like he agrees. Just add some chains and some sunglasses, and he'll make Snoop Dogg look like Snoop Cat. Let's see what other outfits he'd like to try. A white tuxedo? Does he look like James Bond? Maybe another color will do. Oh, he seems to prefer the more classic black look. And it certainly seems to suit him. Aw, he's just so cute. What big eyes he's got. Time for another day of fun with your furry friend. What can be better than a puppy? Simple, more than one puppy. And this one's so big, you just want to cuddle him up. And soon, there'll be even more puppies. In the meantime, our blushing bride wants some kibble. And maybe a steak or two. That was bow-wow-tastic! Yeah, I went there. Catch you next time. Oh, poor puppy. All alone on a hot day like today. We've gotta help. Naturally, we'll start with a makeover.
Ew.
If only fleas were this easy to get rid of. 2 eyes are plenty. Look at all these bugs. Next time you should really wear gloves. Oh, don't worry. We're almost finished here. Of course, our new friend here could still use a wash. Maybe this hula hoop is just what we need. Take out your soldering iron. Never leave home without it. And make a few holes, especially a big one. Now, garçon, just what we need. A hose. Secure it in place and turn on the water. We've made our own little dog wash. She doesn't even need to move. We can just run her through it. Well, it helps if she moves her paws. Yeah, that's a good girl. A rinse is a good start, but soap's important too. Just add it to this new gadget. Brush away. Just don't forget to rinse off. Good thing we're already doing this outside. All done. Now let's dry her off. Uh-oh. It looks like we missed a spot. Quick, let's put this device together. It's a paw cleaner. Once again, we'll need water. It's best to do this one paw at a time. What a good girl, letting us clean her paws. The rest of the paw looks nice, but look at those nails. This is a mani-pedi emergency. But we'll need something special. Let's cut up this bag. It's gonna be a harness for our dog. Hang it up. Dog included. This might take some muscle. Now she'll stay in one place as we file down those pesky nails. Though something tells me she doesn't mind a little beauty treatment. Much better. Now let's go home. Mi casa es su casa. Hey, that doesn't mean the floor is your personal toilet. Well, this mess won't clean itself up. Time for the advanced pooper scooper, complete with bags. Just open it up and wrap around the mouth of the device. Now you can pick everything up without getting your hands dirty. Just remember, you might need more than one bag. Uh-oh, she's shedding? Is she a dog or a cat? Seriously, I'd say there's enough fur for a whole new dog. But it looks like our furry friend beat me to it. Well, it's nothing a little vacuuming can't fix. Ew. We'll need to keep all this fur under control. And this new brush should help. It collects the hair all up in one big clump. And cleanup's a breeze. The hair just falls off. Looks like you missed a few spots. This should help. It attracts all this hair like a magnet. And the cover takes it all off for you. Phew. Unfortunately, we're just getting started with the cleanup. Oh, good. With all this work, we earned a treat. Yeah, I had to say treat. Good thing we've already got this big bag of dog food. Do you take your kibble dry or wet? Well, at least we know she likes it. In fact, something tells me she wants seconds. This device should help. Just fill it up with kibble. And all it takes to get more is just pushing a button. Round and round it goes. Now she can have seconds and thirds, possibly fourths. And we can enjoy our pizza. Anyone getting déjà vu watching this? Oh, so touching. Hey, can I have one of those tissues? Oh no, not the television. Did we lose power? Naughty puppy, you could have hurt yourself. We're gonna need to puppy-proof the house. This pop tube could help. Just slit it open. Just slip them over these wires so they're nice and safe. Great, the television is back on, and we can watch together. Still, it's nice to have some private time. I guess someone didn't get the memo. Oh, she's not going anywhere. Meals always taste better with company. And without utensils? And it's great to always have someone watching over you. Oh, you're not getting out of this. We'll need to get creative. With this water balloon rubber glove, she'll always have a tender touch. Relaxation can be found right in the palm of your glove. Checkmate, or king me. Either way, she needs some stimulation. This mat should help. Just hide some treats under the flaps. And just look, there's a whole bunch of different hiding places. We can even hide some right out in the open. Oh, she's good at finding all these hidden treasures. She'd make a great detective, or maybe a pirate. Someone deserves a thank you. A nice, big, wet, sloppy thank you. Her tongue needs a little distraction. Add peanut butter to this mat. She gets peanut butter, and your face stays dry. Everyone wins. Now it's time for some fun in the sun. Come on, you need to get out too. And we've got the perfect suit for you to wear. You'll look so pretty with all these bows. And you can't forget to accessorize. Of course, it's also important to stay hydrated. And that goes for the both of you. This bottle should help. We just need to make a few strategic cuts. Once again, our handy soldering iron comes to the rescue. Make sure that hole is nice and big. And add another filled bottle through it. Twist the lid and it dispenses the water for you. Now it's time for us to relax. Uh-oh, the paparazzi are out on the prowl. Careful, I think they can see by motion.
Oh no!
Let's get out of here! Do you hear something? Oh, that little girl's crying and holding a poster. I think we can all figure out where this is going. Okay, they look alike, but I think we should spring for DNA testing. Well, at least she's cheered up. Wonderful. What a happy ending. A cat. Hope she likes peanut butter. Pet-sational stuff. Catch you next time.